Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So localize the gear icon and tap on it. And now we need to scroll all the way down just like that and tap on the system. So localize this info icon and tap on it. Then let's tap on this first option, which is language and region, and tap on the first option again, which is system languages. So here, just tap on this plus icon to enter the full list of available languages, and here all you need to do is to scroll and find the language that you'd like to apply. So find the language and tap on it. You can choose the region also just by tapping on it. And the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to change them, you need to tap on the language you'd like to use and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Now you can release the finger and tap on change. So tap on this option on the right. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Tap on the option on the right, and we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language that you would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.